After we have decided to do most of the renovation on our own, we begin to start researching and looking for things that we need. The major renovation will be in the kitchen. At this point, the house is still under construction. The 3D and dimension I drew were based on the drawing given by the developer. I did a few revisions on the kitchen cabinet and often discussed it with my husband, whether it can be done or not. After all, he will be the one to deal with most of the laborious work. As I do the 3D model, I have to look for materials, suppliers, and calculate the estimated cost. Just to be safe, we place the orders and get sample materials to start experimenting and imagine the steps that need to be done. When we got the key to our home, that's when I can get the exact measurement to start with the technical drawing. First time using Chinese to draw technical drawings, I'm amazed. After multiple checkings, I nervously start to place order and we hope for the best when the things arrive.